Welcome to InfoTech Final Solution, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the digital world or a seasoned pro seeking advanced solutions, this channel is designed to empower you with practical, reliable, and innovative insights. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on a journey to demystify technology, solve everyday problems, and explore the cutting edge of information technology. From troubleshooting common glitches to diving deep into emerging trends like AI and cybersecurity, we've got you covered with content that's straightforward, actionable, and fun. At InfoTech Final Solution, our mission is simple: to provide the final solution to your tech woes. No more endless searches or confusing jargon, we break it down step by step, offering tutorials, reviews, and tips that actually work. Imagine fixing that stubborn software issue in minutes or optimizing your devices for peak performance without the hassle. We focus on real-world applications, drawing from years of expertise in IT to deliver value that saves you time, money, and frustration. Join our growing community of tech enthusiasts who are transforming their digital lives one video at a time. Thank you for choosing InfoTech Final Solution as your trusted tech companion. We're excited to grow with you, share knowledge, and celebrate your successes along the way. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of technology, stick around, great things are coming. Welcome aboard, and let's make tech work for you. Your tech problem ends here.